Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers. This is Hello IT World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I will show you how to practice Python online site platforms in our Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge browsing sites. Always it is important because sometimes our Python compiler is not working. Then in that time we can use the online platform. That's why we use the most popular sites in our browsing site. Now let's go for the practical. So here for this case I already selected the file one, then copy, see if we press run, then plus, again clear, then 5, then run. See, it's 10. Now the second option, this, here we can copy and paste, so run. See, already 10. In this way we will do the next thing. Try yourself. Again copy, then paste. See, in the W3 schools online Python practice is working well. And the next thing, we will copy and run. See, it's work with beautiful way, a synchronized way, step by step. And the next one is tutorial points. Here it is also the most popular sites. Then copy, again it's paste, execute this program. See, 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel.